Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Astra. Fantastic condition throughout. As you can see, it's a facelift model. It's the Elite. So it is full top spec, alloy wheels. It's just been serviced, just been MOT'd. Rear park distance control. All our cars are videoed and pictured outside for better light, but I kept inside our indoor showroom so you can view the cars in any weather whatsoever. Lovely and comfortable viewing. So it's got the parcel shelf. It's all lovely inside the boot. Now this does have full leather, white stitch piping. Very rare for an Astra to have full leather interior. Electric windows, electric power fold mirrors. See, it's lovely inside. Automatic headlights, multifunction steering wheel. Just start it up. It's got satellite navigation, reverse park distance control, air conditioning, 3-stage heated seats, 6-speed gearbox. It's done 83,720 miles. To the home page, so you've got media, you've got Bluetooth connectivity. Drives fantastic. At DJH, we've got full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.